Patrice, you about done setting up?
I am.
Got a surprise for you. I want to show you the new water filtration system we've got hooked up.
Let's go.
So check this out. This is the new Blu Technology water filtration system. It's a 3-filter system. If we start over here on this one, this is a 5-micron filter. It's for sand, grime, rust, anything like that, heavier solids. Right, we move to the middle here. That's where the action starts. That's a 0.2 micron filter for viruses and bacteria. It's fantastic.
That is huge in this day and age with flus and viruses and the microplastics in our water, in everything.
Absolutely, all right, great filter. Then we get to this one here, and this is brand new. Only Blu Technology has this. This is a UVC LED light technology. So what happens is it turns on only when you use the water. So when you use the water inside, this little light will turn green. It's run by power right here, and it makes it 99.99%. It takes it from filtration to purification.
I can brush my teeth with confidence using the water coming out of it. I can use it for my coffee. I feel like this is a game changer.
Yep, and this is a 3 gallons per minute system. It'll purify 2,000 gallons per day. So this can handle the RV, no problem.
I love it, and it's veteran owned. Right up in Michigan.
Yeah, I love these hoses. Stainless steel, they're real easy to clean.
Thanks for showing it to me.
Absolutely.